Dana from MOY Resin Envy, showing our pink tabletop that we did with our new color bikini. And then we used one of my favorites that we've had in for a while, Flash Gold. So those are the only two colors that we used on here. We mixed those pigments directly into a bottle with 91% alcohol, and then we spritzed it on. So I want to show you what the end results are here. A lot of dimension on this. I know it's hard to see that in the videos. We've taken a couple videos close up so that you can see it's a lot of dimension. We have pink, we have gold. The gold's kind of ghosted in here throughout. I don't know if I rotate this or hold it up here, if you can get a better. This is a really easy technique though, so if you take a look at the video and want to recreate this, you can really use any colors. This was to showcase what our new bikini color looks like poured. You can see the difference between what it looks like in the container and what it looks like once you pour it. It's Dana from MOY Resin Envy. Today we're going to play around with our new color bikini, and we're going to see what we can make with that. We're going to do a little bit of a different technique today, so stay tuned and we'll show you what we're going to get into. Alright, so I have mixed our bikini in 91% alcohol. And I have a Flash Gold here, also in 91% alcohol. I am going to spritz that onto our prepped tabletop, and then we're going to let that dry and add a clear resin. Alright, we are back. We waited about 15 minutes and our alcohol is dried off, and now we are just simply going to pour a clear layer of resin over top of this. We are using our ice cast resin, and it is super clear. So we're just going to let that spread out. All right, we have let our layer of clear flow over the edges. It's been about 5 minutes, so we weren't waiting for this to set. I just wanted it to cover everything and go nice over the edges. Now I am going to spray a clear spray paint over the entire layer. This is UV clear. So I'm just going to spray this over. And why we're doing this is when we add the mixture here of the colors. So we're going to go over with our spritzes of colors again, the pink and the gold. And then we will spray plain alcohol over top. Now the paint is going to react with the alcohol and the colors that you're putting on and give it even more of that crackle effect that like we got in the bottom. And you'll see that better once we spray the plain alcohol on in the last step. So I'm just going to get some good coverage here with the pink. Alright, I have finished going around and spraying with my colors, and now I'm just going to spray straight 91% alcohol over this. I want it to kind of, I don't want to spray directly against that. I want it to kind of mist and fall on, and you can see the little crackling effect that that's creating. Cells, crackles. There's going to be a lot of dimension in this. If you do this and you don't like all of the negative spaces and you want to add more color, you of course can take your bottle again and just start adding more drops. So you do this process until you're happy with what it looks like, and then you stop. Guys, thanks for watching today. I hope you learned something valuable. Make sure you hit like and come back next week for more tabletop videos.
Hi, Callie here. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please press the like button. And if you want to see more valuable videos from MOY Resin Envy, don't forget to subscribe.